Systems, not goals. How to actually win at life. Why goals keep failing you. Most people believe success starts with goals. Set a big goal. Work hard. Reach it. Win at life. It sounds simple, but if goals really worked, most people would already be successful. Look around. People set goals every year. Lose weight. Learn English. Make more money. Start a business. And every year, the same thing happens. They feel excited at first. They feel motivated for a few days or weeks. Then life gets busy. Energy goes down. Motivation disappears. The goal stays, but action stops. This is not because people are lazy. This is not because they are weak. This is not because they lack talent. It is because goals are not designed for daily life. Goals live in the future. Life happens in the present. When you only focus on goals, you focus on results you do not have yet. Your brain sees a gap, a big gap, between where you are and where you want to be. That gap creates pressure, stress, fear, self-doubt. At first, pressure feels exciting. Later, it feels heavy. This is why many people quit. They think, I am not good enough. I always fail. Why can others do it but not me? The problem is not you. The problem is the system you are using. Goals make you obsessed with outcomes. Outcomes you cannot control today. You cannot control when success arrives. You cannot control how fast results appear. You cannot control how others react. But your brain wants control. When it does not feel control, it feels unsafe. When it feels unsafe, it looks for comfort. Comfort is easy. Scrolling, eating, watching videos, avoiding hard work. This is why motivation disappears. Motivation is emotional. Emotions change every day. If your success depends on motivation, your success will be unstable. Now let me tell you a hard truth. Goals do not make you successful. People with the same goals often get very different results. Two people want to learn English, same goal. One becomes fluent, one quits. Two people want to get fit, same goal. One changes their body, one stays the same. So what is the difference? It is not desire. Both wanted it. It is not intelligence. Both were capable. The difference is what they did every day. This is where systems come in. A system is not exciting. A system is not emotional. A system is boring. And that is why it works. A system focuses on actions, small actions, repeatable actions, daily actions. A system does not care about motivation. It cares about structure. When you have a system, you do not ask, do I feel like doing this today? You ask, what is the next small step? Systems remove decision fatigue. They remove emotional drama. They remove excuses. You do not negotiate with your system. You follow it. Think about brushing your teeth. You do not need motivation. You do not need a goal. You just do it. That is the power of a system. Now imagine if learning English felt like brushing your teeth. Imagine if working on your future felt automatic. This is how real progress is built. Slow, quiet, invisible. Most people quit because they do not see results fast enough. Systems do not promise fast results. They promise inevitable results. This is a big difference. Goals say, someday you will succeed. Systems say, today you will show up. And when you show up enough times, success has no choice but to appear. Life is not won in big moments. Life is won in small daily decisions. What you do when no one is watching. What you do when you are tired. What you do when motivation is gone. Goals do not help you there. Systems do. In the next part, we will go deeper. You will understand how systems change your identity, not just your results. Because when your identity changes, your life follows. Part 2. How systems change who you become. Most people think change starts with motivation. They believe they must feel ready. They believe they must feel confident. They believe they must feel strong. This belief is wrong. Real change does not start with feelings. It starts with actions. And actions shape identity. Identity is how you see yourself. It is the story you tell yourself every day. I am lazy. I am bad at English. I never finish what I start. These sentences feel real, but they are not facts. They are habits of thought. And habits are created by repetition. When you repeat the same actions, your brain updates your identity, slowly, quietly, without asking for permission. This is why systems are powerful. A goal wants you to become someone in the future. A system allows you to act like that person today. You do not become confident and then take action. You take action and then confidence grows. You do not become disciplined and then work. You work and then discipline appears. Identity follows behavior, not the other way around. Think about a person who says, I am a runner. Why do they say that? Because they run every day. Not because they run fast, not because they run long distances, because they show up. Now think about someone who says, I want to be a runner. The difference is not desire. The difference is repetition. Systems turn I want to be into I am. This is where most people fail. They wait for a new identity before changing behavior. They wait to feel ready. They wait to feel like a new person. But identity is built after action, not before. A system removes waiting. A system says, this is what we do every day. No debate, no emotion, no drama, just action. Each small action is a vote for the type of person you are becoming. Read one page, vote for being a reader. Practice English for 10 minutes, vote for being a learner. Save a small amount of money, vote for being responsible. One vote does not change much, but votes add up. Your identity is the result of thousands of small votes. This is why systems work even when progress feels slow. You may not see results, but your identity is already changing. And identity is powerful. Once you believe something about yourself, you protect it. You act in ways that match it. A person who believes, I am someone who never quits, will keep going even when things are hard. Not because they are special, but because quitting would break their identity. Systems build this identity quietly. Goals often do the opposite. When you fail a goal, your identity takes damage. I failed again. I'm not consistent. This creates shame. Shame kills action. Systems do not ask you to win. They ask you to show up. You cannot fail showing up. You can only stop. This is a huge psychological difference. A system turns success into a daily behavior, not a distant result. Today, I showed up. Today, I followed my system. Today, I am still the kind of person I want to be. This creates calm confidence, not loud motivation. Calm confidence lasts longer. Let's look at learning English. Many beginners say, I want to speak English fluently. This goal feels big, scary, far away. Every mistake feels painful. Every slow day feels like failure. Now imagine a system. Every day you listen for 10 minutes. Every day you repeat one short sentence. Every day you do it at the same time. No pressure to be perfect, no pressure to be fast. After 1 week, nothing feels different. After 1 month, you feel more familiar. After 3 months, you feel more confident. Not because you tried harder, but because you became someone who practices daily. This is identity change. The same logic applies to money, health, relationships, work. A system does not change your life overnight. It changes who you are, step by step. And once who you are changes, your life follows. This is why people say, I don't recognize myself anymore. They did not transform in one moment. They evolved through systems, small habits, repeated daily. Systems also protect you on bad days, when you feel tired, when you feel sad, when you feel lost. Goals disappear on bad days, systems remain. You do not ask how you feel, you follow the structure. This is how professionals work. This is how artists create. This is how athletes train. They do not wake up asking for motivation, they follow their system, and motivation comes later. Freedom does not come from endless choice, it comes from structure. Systems give you freedom from overthinking, freedom from self-doubt, freedom from starting over. Every day you follow your system, you reinforce trust in yourself. You begin to think, I do what I say. This is powerful. Self-trust is more important than talent, more important than intelligence. When you trust yourself, you move forward. When you do not, you hesitate. Systems rebuild this trust, one day at a time. In the next part, we will make everything practical. You will learn how to build a simple system for your own life, one that fits beginners, one that feels easy, one that actually lasts. Part 3, how to build simple systems that actually work. Now you understand why systems matter. You know they change results. You know they change identity. But one question remains. How do you actually build a system? Not a perfect system, not a complicated system, a simple system. One you can follow every day. Let's make this practical. A good system has only 3 parts: action, time, and environment. Nothing more. Most people fail because they add too much, too many rules, too many steps, too many expectations. Simplicity is power. First, choose one small action. Not a big action, not an impressive action, a small action that feels easy. If your system feels heavy, you will quit. If your system feels light, you will continue. Ask yourself, what is the smallest action that moves me forward? Not the best action, the smallest one. If you want to learn English, 1 sentence, 1 short audio, 10 minutes. If you want to get fit, 5 push-ups, a short walk. If you want to build discipline, start something small and finish it. Small actions reduce resistance. Resistance is the real enemy. You do not need motivation to do small things. Next, choose a fixed time. Time removes decision-making. If you decide every day when to act, you get tired. Your brain uses energy. Energy is limited. A system decides once. Same time, every day. Morning, lunch break, before sleep. The time does not matter. Consistency matters. When the time comes, you act. No thinking, no discussion. Time becomes a trigger. Your brain learns. When this time arrives, I do this action. Like a bell, like a signal. This is how habits are formed. Third, design your environment. Environment is stronger than willpower. If something is easy to reach, you do it more. If something is hard to reach, you avoid it. Put your English notebook on your desk, not in a drawer. Open the app before the time starts. Prepare your running shoes the night before. Remove friction. Do not fight yourself. Design around yourself. Most people blame their character, but behavior follows environment. Change the environment, behavior changes naturally. Now let's talk about expectations. This is very important. A system is not about results, it is about repetition. Your only job is to show up. Not to feel good, not to perform well, just to show up. Some days will be good, some days will be bad. The system does not care. This is freedom. If you miss one day, do not panic. Do not punish yourself. Just return the next day. Never miss twice. Missing once is human. Missing twice is a new habit. This rule protects your system. Now let's talk about progress. Progress in systems is quiet. No fireworks, no sudden transformation. At first, nothing seems to change. This is normal. Most results are delayed. Like planting seeds, you water the soil every day. For a long time, nothing appears. Then one day, growth becomes visible. If you stop early, you never see it. This is why patience is part of every system. Trust the process, not the feeling. Systems also need tracking, not complicated tracking, simple tracking. A check mark, a calendar. Did I show up today? Yes or no? Seeing progress builds momentum. Momentum builds identity. You start thinking, I am someone who does not break the chain. This is powerful. Now let's talk about scaling. Do not scale too early. First, make the system automatic. Once it feels normal, once it feels easy, then you can add more. 5 minutes becomes 10. One sentence becomes one paragraph.
Growth should feel natural, not forced. If you push too hard, the system breaks. Consistency beats intensity. Always. Let's review everything. A working system is small, clear, repeatable. It has one action, one time, one environment. It does not depend on motivation. It does not depend on mood. It depends on structure. This is how real winners live. Not perfect lives, but structured lives. They do not chase motivation. They build systems. They do not wait for the future. They act today. Life does not change in big moments. Life changes in small, daily actions. If you want to win at life, stop asking, what do I want to achieve? Start asking, what can I repeat every day? Build the system, follow it, and let time do the rest.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Self-Study Every Day for more helpful lessons. Leave a comment and tell me what you want to learn next.